Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, you've been at this meeting. What kind of things have you learned this year?
Well, I think I learned that the crop is probably significantly smaller than I earlier anticipated. You know, we talked last week, the week before, I was looking at the crop to be around 105 million bushels. Looks like it's going to be smaller than that.
Okay, let's talk now about prices. What kind of things are going on this week?
Well, if the crop is as small as they're predicting today, then I think I've been low on my prices. You know, you can go back last fall, I was talking about $7.75 on mid-June price in Oklahoma. Recently, I've been down around $7. I think if they're correct on the size of this crop, plus I've heard some people from the Texas area, their wheat crop is maybe even smaller than ours on a percentage basis. The Kansas Wheat Tour, that's coming in relatively low. I think we're going to have to raise that price up to at least $7.50, if not $7.75 for a mid-June price. But right now, the market's probably offering around $7.40.
Okay, so for harvest delivery, that's what you're looking at?
Well, right now, if you look at the Kansas City Board of Trade July contract, it's around $7.80, somewhere in that vicinity. The elevators are offering about 40 cents below that, and that'll get you in around $7.40. Now, the one thing we probably know with certainty is that will not be the price in June.
That's the one thing you know, right?
Yes.
With all this in mind, what do producers need to think about in terms of setting up those marketing plans?
Well, we've got a tremendous amount of uncertainties out there. The weather's going to determine how much wheat we put in the bin in June, and that's going to determine our price. I think if you'll look at the back over history, our prices averaged about the last 5 years $6.42. If we get a price coming in around $7.75 up near $8, I think they need to set a strategy of selling more at harvest. If it comes in around that $7 or $6.50 level, then I think they can look at storage more. But set them a benchmark, and then if the price is above that, sell more. If it's not, sell less. And the old strategy, a third and a third and a third. But right now is the time for the producers to start thinking about different ways they're going to sell this crop.
Okay, very good. Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist. We'll see you next week.